Once, there was a girl named Emma. Emma had a small, white cat. The cat's name was Snowy. Snowy loved to play outside. One day, Emma opened the door to her house. Snowy ran outside to play. Emma was busy, so she didn't notice. When she finished her work, she looked for Snowy. But Snowy was not in the house. Emma felt worried. Where is Snowy, she thought. She ran outside to find her cat. She called, Snowy, Snowy, where are you? She looked in the garden. Snowy was not there. She asked her neighbor, Mr. Brown, have you seen Snowy? Mr. Brown said, no, Emma. I have not seen your cat, but don't worry. Let's look together. Emma and Mr. Brown looked near the park. They saw many dogs, but no Snowy. Emma felt sad. Maybe Snowy is lost, she said. Suddenly, Emma heard a small sound. Meow, meow. It was Snowy. Snowy was hiding under a tree. Emma ran to her cat and picked her up. Oh, Snowy. I was so worried about you, Emma said. Snowy purred and licked Emma's hand. Emma thanked Mr. Brown for his help. She took Snowy home. From that day, Emma always closed the door carefully. Snowy stayed safe and happy at home.